have to clean this whole area because it's hard to come out. It's really strong. See? So it's starting to grow. I have to dig it out before it starts to grow. I need to get the tuber. A lot underground. As I dig, I got this. I think there are more of this. This kind of tuber that went inside the ground. It's growing all over the place. Look at this. And under the ground and growing all over the place. And there are more. Look, it's gone all over the place. See? Onto the side, and I need to find it out. Look at this one. This one is another plant, and look, small tubers. I cleaned this area a bit. This place. And now I need to dig this up. And look at these tubers, they are coming out. So I need to clean some more of that. Right now, I'm just going to dig this up. Let me show you something. Look at that. There's a lot of ants. Oh, look at that. It's starting to grow. There's this huge tuber over here also. It has spread all along the area. And now I have to dig it up. I'm going to break a lot of it while I take it, but still I'm going to. See, I got some pieces there. Oh, it's so under the ground. Oh, look at that. This is turmeric. Not the regular kind, some other variety. I broke all that off and still I have more here. I need to pull this all out. Oh, it's starting to grow. Yeah. It's starting to grow. Finally, I pulled it all out. Look at that. Some of turmeric I got and I lost some under there. But at least I got so much. It's just from one plant. It's been growing here for about 2 years. I don't know what plant this is, but a lot of tiny shoots of this plant was growing here. Some kind of wild onion, I guess. I'm cleaning this area out. I'm going to get this out too and get some sunflowers. Oh my god, look at the number of ants. Look. That's it. Ants home. It's taking its eggs and running. Oh. These ants don't bite. Look at all those tubers. I think this is called a tuber. Look at that. More over here. I need to get it all out. This one is going somewhere here. You cannot find it. Ants all over the place. It's getting on my. So this is the whole thing. Continue pulling it up. Nope. Half of it is under the ground. Oh, look at this. Oh, there's some plastic. Look at this. This was a wild onion I was talking to you about earlier. Those tiny little seedlings. Oh, these ants are all over my body. Look at that. Next endeavor is to plant these chilies that has been potted for a very long time. I need to transplant it onto the ground. The one that I transplanted a few days ago. Hey, spider. This is the area that I started digging. I'm going to plant it all over this area. Okay.